Soft bakery-style strawberry muffins with a buttery cinnamon crumb on top and not an egg, drop of dairy, or nut in sight. These are the kind of muffins that make allergy-free baking feel less like a workaround and more like a genuine win. We're starting with the crumb topping because it needs a few minutes in the fridge to stay nice and cold. Flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, and cold vegan butter. I just used a fork to press and mash it until it comes together in rough, uneven clumps. Don't overthink it. Imperfect crumbs are the best crumbs. Into the fridge it goes while we make the muffins. We're going to stir some plant milk with some apple cider vinegar and just let it sit. In a couple minutes it thickens slightly and turns tangy, just like real buttermilk. Flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together well in a large bowl. Getting these evenly combined before the wet ingredients goes in means a more consistent muffin all the way through. Add in the buttermilk that we made earlier, some oil and vanilla, and stir gently. A few streaks of flour are totally fine. Overmixing is the enemy of a fluffy muffin. Fresh strawberries cut into small pieces, not tiny, just small enough that you get a little burst in every bite. Then we're going to toss them with a tablespoon of flour before they go into the batter. This helps keep them suspended instead of sinking straight to the bottom. It's a small step that makes a real difference. Now we're just going to gently fold the strawberries into the batter. Line your muffin pan and scoop the batter in, and then pile on that crumb topping and press it down slightly with the back of the spoon so it really sticks, into a 375-degree oven for 22 to 26 minutes. Golden tops, jammy strawberry pockets, that crumb topping slightly crisp from the oven. The whole reason I started making recipes like this is so that kids with food allergies don't have to miss out on moments like this. A warm muffin fresh from the oven that tastes just as good as anything else on the table. I hope your family loves these as much as mine does.